My dear friends in Facebook and in YouTube and sa ano pang medium. This Saturday, we will continue our series on overcoming depression in the workplace. And on Saturday, I will be talking about the idea or the topic that idleness kills. We have been doing sessions on overcoming depression every Saturday kasi ang hope ko sana makatulong ako sa mga tao na ma-overcome yung mental health concern nila. If you have been following me, I've been telling people na dapat walang depression. Kasi kung tama lang ang response natin sa mga challenges natin sa buhay natin, we will be able to use our difficulties to be able to move forward. Sana you would join me. Marami na ho tayong napag-usapan in the past Saturdays. We have talked about the idea na we need to learn from our failures. We need to embrace our rejections. We need to understand that authorities are there to protect us. And also sinabi ko in the past, your best will never be enough kasi unless your best meet the standard of the person you serve, madidepress ka lang when you get rejected. Sana you will join us again this Saturday. Sana rin, kung meron kang kaibigan o kamag-anak na nadidepress, tell them to join us. Libre naman. Sa first part ng event, we will show a video that I have created and have put in Facebook and YouTube para madaling ma-access ng mga tao. And then after that, we will do Q&A para ma-address ko yung mga concern ng mga taong nag-attend. Sana you will help me help people become fruitful by joining me this Saturday, 7 to 8 p.m. And then by telling your friends and your family that there's an event like this to help people respond to the trials, to the afflictions, and the difficulties they are experiencing. I hope to see you then. But for the meantime, may God bless you.